Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP number section. This is order of operations. We can chain multiple operations together to get a single result. Here we have echo 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 minus 1.1 would print out 12.9. We can do echo 2 times 9 divided by 6, that would print out 3. You might have learned about operations having an order of precedence in math class. This means that operations in a chain aren't simply performed from left to right, rather each operator is given a special rank. Operations will be evaluated in the following order. First, any operation wrapped in parentheses. Second, exponents. Third, multiplication and division. Fourth, addition and subtraction. The acronym PEMDAS can be helpful for remembering the order of precedence for these arithmetic operations. Here we have echo 1 plus 3 times 9 would print 28, and that is because it first does the multiplication. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. In the example above, 3 times 9 is calculated first and then is added to 1 to yield the final result of 28. We can change what this expression returns by using parentheses. Here we would do 1 plus 3 first and then multiply that by 9, which would print 36. Here, 1 plus 3 is calculated first and then that value is multiplied by 9, to which returns 36. Let's practice writing some chained operations. Our instructions say, hey, can you help me out? Use echo to print the answer to the terminal. I'm trying to figure out how much money I should have. At the start of the day, I had $94. I spent $4.25 on coffee. A friend gave me $7 that he owed me. I went out for a meal. The bill was $23.50, but I also gave a 20% tip. Some friends and I found $20 on the ground and split it 4 ways. I think that's everything. Use a single chain operation to get your result. Let's do that now. Let's run that. And we do pass, and we get $73.55. That's how much money we should have. What we're learning in order of operations is how order of operations work in PHP. It follows the convention of PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. That's the order of operation follows. As long as you understand that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.